Ate, what did you do to your brother? Tawa-tawa ka pa, lagot ka. What happened? Wala, lagot kayo.
Oy, we're gonna quack.
Hey! Ate, stop that na.
Dito natanggal ko yung mga dito.
Look what happened to your brother. Look. Oh. What happened to you? Sige, tigilan mo na yan. Sapit na. Ang ginawa nyo dyan.
Tinatanggal ko kasi yung mga dito.
Caleb. Hey. What happened to you? Hey.